Welcome to the online learning and welcome to the second edition of the Daily Maths Dose for this week. So this week we are focusing on indices and indicial equations. Alright, so now we have equation here. So how are we going to solve it? We have that given that 3 times 9 raised to 1 plus x is equal to 27 raised to minus x. You should find x. Alright. So before we continue, I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Alright, and watch out for this program every day from Monday to Friday by 7 a.m. Alright. So this is 1994 WAEC question number 1. I'm sure most of you have not been born. If you've been born by then, no problem. So let's solve. 3 times 9 raised to power 1 plus x is equal to 27 raised to power x. Alright, so if you notice something, not the basis are powers of 3. Alright, so this is 3, this is 3 raised to power 2, and this is 3 raised to power 3. Alright, so we have 3 here times 3 raised to power 2 into 1 plus x equal to 3 raised to power 3 into minus x. So this is equal to 3 times 3 raised to power, we open the bracket, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 times x is 2x equal to 3 raised to power 3 minus 3 times minus x is minus 3x. Alright, so what we do at this juncture is to add the powers of this and this. I know that the power of this is 1 because of the indices law that says that a raised to power x times a raised to power y is equal to a raised to power x plus 1. So we do what? We add their powers. So doing so, we have raised to power 1 plus 2 plus 2x equal to 3 raised to power minus 3x. So we have 3 raised to power 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 2x. Sorry. So x is equal to 3 raised to power minus 3x. If you are joining this live stream, let me know where you're watching from. Let me know your name and where you're watching from. Alright. Are you finding the section interactive and helpful? So since we have the same base on each side, what will happen is that we just cancel out. Can just cancel out bases. Alright, since they are the same. That is what we do. Cancel out. So we cannot equate their powers. So we have 3 plus 2x is equal to minus 3x. So we can collect like them. So we can push minus 3x over to this side. So we have 2x plus 3x is equal to 3. So 2x plus 3x is 5x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 over 5. That is our final answer. So if you solve it like this, you are sure to get your full mark. Are we together? Remember, if you are still joining us for the first time, subscribe to this channel so that you can encourage support. And do well to share this live stream to your friends, to your classmates who you think could be needing this. Okay? So are you ready for the next question? Are you ready for the next question? So let's solve. I'm going to clean this. I'm sure that you must have written it by now. So the second question that we are going to solve today given that 5 raised to power n plus 3 over 25 raised to power 2n minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power 0. Find the value of x. Alright, so this is starts now 15, question number 4. Alright, so this is the question. So can we solve now? Are we together? Are we together? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Okay, let's go. If you notice something, all of them are still power 5. So let's transform. Let's transform. Alright. So we are going to have 5 raised to power. So this is our solution. 5 raised to power n plus 3 all over 5 raised to power 2. Means 5 is 5 raised to power 2 into 2n minus 3. Alright. Equal to 5 raised to power 0. Okay. So here what we are going to do is to open this bracket first. So we have that 5 raised to power n plus 3, right, over 5 raised to power, open the bracket, 2 times 2n is 4n. It's 4n. Let me get a better marker.